I'm Jason Epperson coming to you from the top of the world highway in the Yukon, and today on RV Miles, we're talking about how long it takes to get an RV repaired. According to the most recent data for May of 2023, the average time an RV sits in a repair facility when there's a problem is 34 days, and it can be much, much longer, 6 months more. The amount of time a repair takes is something the industry calls Repair Event Cycle Time, RECT, which marks the duration between the start and the completion of a repair work order at a dealership. This 34 days number was extrapolated from over 41,000 work orders across 288 dealerships in the U.S. by a company called IDS, which makes the software that tracks service at repair centers. And it presents a daunting picture. Key bottlenecks in the repair process include parts availability, service bay availability, technician availability, and the often arduous warranty approval process. 42% of the average 109 work orders that are in progress at any given dealership are awaiting the resolution of warranty issues, and 24% are delayed due to out-of-stock parts. Those two problems can add substantial time to the repair event cycle time. That 34 days gets extended to 50 days for warranty repairs, and if your parts are out of stock, it's a staggering 73-day average to get a repair done. That's well over 2 months. Given these long timelines, many RV owners often look for alternatives. Just don't let problems causing damage like water issues wait and get worse. One good option is employing a mobile service technician who will travel to your location to perform the repair. Now, not all manufacturers or warranties, not even most, cover mobile repair technician services. So if they don't, you're going to pay $200 to $300 out of pocket for the service call, plus parts and additional labor. But it's often a worthy trade-off to keep you from missing that upcoming camping trip. Tasks such as replacing trim or fixing a malfunctioning furnace, water heater, or water pump can be easily handled by a mobile technician, saving your RV from spending weeks, if not months, at a dealership lot. But if you do need to bring your RV into a repair shop for service, staying proactive in the process is always a good idea. The last thing you want to do is drop it off and wait for someone to tell you it's done. With so many repairs underway, unfortunately, the squeaky wheel does often get the grease. Regular communication with both the dealer and the RV manufacturer can expedite repair work and prevent misunderstandings. Instances where the dealer claims to be waiting on the manufacturer only to find out that the manufacturer hasn't had any contact from them. Those can be avoided with frequent and open dialogue. Of course, keeping up on RV maintenance tasks can help you avoid needing certain types of repairs, and it's worth knowing a thing or two about making repairs yourself. YouTube videos are a big help. Also, you can start your buying process by picking a dealer with lots of bays in its RV service center. Thanks to our friend Josh the RV Nerd for that tip. And decent reviews on Google. Dealers usually prioritize work from customers who bought the RV from them. More in a moment, but first, this video is sponsored by RVmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding. Did you know the mattress that comes with most RVs is just a placeholder? Most RV manufacturers never intended that you'd actually sleep on it. We've been using mattresses from Brooklyn Bedding in our last 2 RVs, and we couldn't be happier. You can choose your thickness and all sorts of different odd RV mattress sizes. That customization was essential for clearing the bedroom slide in our Sabre fifth wheel and for the kids' bunks in our new travel trailer. We're sleeping great on real mattresses from a real mattress company in our RV. RVmattress.com offers a 120-night sleep trial along with a 10-year warranty. Plus, their products are entirely toxin-free and simple to ship and set up. We've even had them shipped to campgrounds from their manufacturing facility in Arizona, and you just unroll them and let them expand. The RV Miles community gets 25% off when you visit rvmattress.com/RVMiles and use the promo code RVMiles. That's rvmattress.com/RVMiles and use the promo code RVMiles, all one word, for 20% off. Our thanks to rvmattress.com for supporting this channel and to you for supporting our sponsors. Now, you're bound to have something happen to your RV, and it may be something that needs to be fixed on the road. Don't be intimidated. There are still dealerships out there, plenty of them, that will offer you some good service and get you looked at the next day if it's an emergency. So make sure to call around. If it's a big problem that's going to take weeks to look at, they're probably going to send you on your way. But if they can take care of it right then and there, they probably will. So why is RV repair such a problem when automobile repair is much more reasonable? Well, It's more challenging to track down electrical or plumbing issues inside an RV's walls, roof, and floor than it is to plug a code reader into a vehicle. Cars are built in a standardized way, and the sheer volume of them makes most problems known to mechanics. There are many times more RV brands than car brands, and they all have dozens of floor plans. Parts backlogs that have plagued every industry since COVID began have continued to compound. With 109 RVs awaiting repair in your average dealership's parking lot, the number of service bays and technicians available makes the problem even worse. There are 11 million or more RVs on the road, twice as many as 20 years ago, but the same number of technicians. Of course, the RV industry has also been accused of cutting corners with quality during this recent boom in sales. And it's not just customers saying it, it's dealers too. When an RV arrives at a dealer's lot and needs repair immediately, that takes time in the service bays away from a customer in need. Now, the RV industry, both manufacturers and dealers, are keenly aware of these problems and are taking steps to reduce the repair event cycle time. It actually began before the pandemic when there was, honest to God, a real push for increased quality. Some brands thought they would actually be competing on that key point as sales were lagging in early 2020. Many RV manufacturers were building quality control facilities and factory service centers where they could take care of some of the worst issues themselves. Manufacturers, suppliers, and dealers met to standardize technician training and diagnostic techniques. They launched the RV Technical Institute to train and certify technicians in Indiana and in-house at dealerships nationwide. But then COVID hit, and what followed was a boom in RV sales unlike anything anyone had seen, paired with a shortage of labor and a worldwide supply chain nightmare. Now that things have calmed down a bit, the effort is showing promise, with the average repair event cycle time reducing from 44 days a year ago to the now 34 days. Part of that is due to improving supply chains that are bringing down parts backorder issues. But those supply chain issues also spawn some initiatives that may enhance service for years to come. Big dealership chains are establishing strategically located parts warehouses across the country, and manufacturers too are expanding their storage capacities to accommodate more parts. There are lots of parts that are virtually the same in every RV, but certain components such as odd-sized windows and cargo bay doors and cabinetry and sinks, those can be hard to find when floor plans and interior colors change every year. One manufacturer told me that they're aiming to always have parts in stock for everything you might need from the past 3 model years. That manufacturer, it's a big one, built a brand new warehouse to do it. Part of that effort is to help you get parts when needed, but it's also to protect the manufacturer from future worldwide supply disruptions. The RV industry is feeling the pinch across the board from sales that have dropped over 25% this year. There's still pain to come as interest rates and inflation continue to rise. Hopefully from the ashes will emerge an RV industry that can handle repair in a timely manner so that you can camp when you wish. Until then, by staying informed, proactive, and open to alternative repair options, you can minimize your RV's downtime and get back to enjoying the freedom and adventure that you bought your RV for. Let me know if you've had an RV repaired lately in the comments. Let me know how it went and how long it took. Love to hear from you. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.